Hello students, hello everyone. Uh, so in previous video, means before this video, I have uploaded one video. In that video, I have discussed about two functions of string tokenizer class. Okay, and two functions were next token and count tokens. Next token function is used to extract a word from the string, and count tokens function is used to count the number of words in the string. Okay, so that I have explained in previous video. You can watch this. If you have not seen that video, please go and watch that video first, then come back to this video. Okay, and in this video I'm going to use that two functions, means few programs I will explain, and in that I will use that two functions of string tokenizer class. Okay, so without wasting your and my time, just let's start with this program, a few programs of using string tokenizer class functions. Okay, so here we go. Here we have the first program. Write a program to accept name of a person and display the initials only. Initials means, for example, if the input is Sunil Bharti Mittal or any name, so the output should be S dot B dot M dot. I think the question is clear. We have to write the initials only. We have to display the initials only. Means we have to display the first letter of each word with dot. Sunil ka S, Bharti B, and Mittal M dot. Okay. So what will be the logic here? We have to extract each word. Okay. For that, I will use the functions of string tokenizer class. And after extracting, I have to print the first character of that extracted word. This I have to do. This we have to do. This is the logic I'm telling you. Okay. So as you know, string tokenizer class belongs to which package? Java.util package. Okay. And in this program, we are going to use scanner class as well as string tokenizer class. Both belong to java.util package. So here writing scanner will not be enough. We have to write star. Star means what will happen if you're writing only scanner, what will happen? Only the scanner class will be imported of java.util package. If you're writing java.util.scanner, only the scanner class of util package will be attached with your program. But here we are going to use two functions, sorry, two classes of java.util package. So since we are going to more than one classes, so I have to write here star. And this also I have explained why star, what is the meaning of star. Star means all the classes of java.util package. Star means all the classes of java.util package will be attached, will be imported in your program. And out of them, we will use only two, that are scanner class and second one is string tokenizer class. Okay, so I think now it's clear. The class name I've taken initials, main function, scanner class. Now enter the name of a person, input. Okay, consider the name, what I told, we have taken Sunil Bharti Mittal as input we have taken for the str, means the value of str, consider it is Sunil Bharti Mittal. Okay, input done. I hope these things are clear now. Now I'm going to use the string tokenizer class. So first of all, in previous video also I explained, we have to create an object of string tokenizer class that I'm going to do. So this is the way string tokenizer, tokenizer tokenizer. Then any object name you can take. I'm taking stz equal to new, then again string tokenizer. Then in bracket, if you remember, I explained in the previous video, here in the bracket we write that string from which we want to extract the word. So here we want to extract the word from this string, which is str. So here we'll write str. Okay, bracket close, semicolon. Then what we do, we count the number of words. Then we count the number of words by using the function count tokens. Okay, by using this object stz. So here for number of words, consider I'm taking a variable nw. You can take any variable equal to stz, which is the object of string tokenizer class by this object, stz dot count tokens, this function. Okay, so this function will count the number of words. Okay, so means how many words are there, that many times we have to perform the operation, that many times we have to repeat the loop. Okay, that's why I am counting the number of words here. Okay, then we have to extract the word. So for that we need a variable. So string type of variable I'm taking w. Okay, one word I have taken. The word which will extract will store into this variable w. Okay, and here it is set to display, so that will do afterwards. Then for loop, we have to repeat the loop. How many times the loop should be repeated? The number of words time. How many words are there, that many times we have to repeat the loop. That's why I have counted the number of words. Okay, so int I equal to, will start from 1 and will go up to less than or equal to nw. In Sunil Bharti Mittal, how many words are there? 3 words are there. So this loop will repeat from 1 to 3. NW will be what? 3 here. So 3 times this loop will be repeated. Okay, semicolon. Then I plus plus. Then here, now we will extract the word. To extract a word from the string, there is a function of string tokenizer class, that is next token. So w equal to stz, the object of string tokenizer class, dot next token. This function will extract a word. If you call this function first time, it will return first word. If you call this function second time, this function will return second word. And if you call this function third time, this function will return third word, and so on. How many words are there? That many times we'll call this function, and that one by one this will extract a word. The first time, first word. So first time when this function will be called, it will return the first word. So here count tokens. This function will count the number of words. So count tokens, so the value of here in this function, in this string, how many words are there? Sentence, 3 words. So the value of nw will be what? 3. nw will be what? 3. And the value of I will start from 1 and will go up to 3. 3 times this loop will be repeated. Control will go inside the loop. Now next token function, since we are calling first time, so it will return the first word, means w will have Sunil. The first word is what? Sunil, that will have in the w. So we got the first word. We have extracted the first word. Simple. Function ka use kiya and we got. Then what to do? We have to print the first letter of this word. Means how will get the first word? W dot caret. Sorry. How will you get the first character of w? For that we have to write w dot caret 0, that we have to print. So system dot out dot print, and here we have to print without a space, so no ln, only print in double quotes. Here we will write w dot char at 0 to print the first character of the w. Okay, yes, semicolon. So the word which we have extracted in first time in w is what? Sunil. So w dot char at 0 will be what? S. Plus we have to print the dot also, no, as you can see in the question. It is written s dot b dot m dot. So here in double quotes we have to write dot. So what will be printed here? W dot caret 0 is what? S. So S dot will be printed. First word, first character we have printed. Then close the loop here. Okay. Then main close, class close. Okay. Then see here, I plus plus. Then from the closing of the loop, it will go for I plus plus. The value of I will be 2 now. Second time we are calling this function. Second time we are calling this function. So this function will return the second word, that is what? Bharti here. So now the value of w will be what? Bharti. Okay. Then w dot caret 0. W is what this time? Bharti. So Bharti mein caret 0. What is the caret 0? That is B, capital B. So that will be printed because of this system dot order print in the same line with dot because of this. Then I plus plus I will be 3. Again, this condition is true. Control will go inside the loop. Since we are calling this function third time, so it will return third word. So the value of w will be what? Mittal, and w dot caret 0 means Mittal dot caret 0 is what? M, then dot. Then I plus plus I will be 4. This condition will be false. Control will go outside the loop. And we got the output s dot b dot m. I hope it's clear to all. So here, why are we counting the number of words? Because we have to perform the operation how many times? Number of words times. जितने words होंगे उतनी बार हमें process करना होगा. So that's why it is there. Okay, I hope it's clear to everyone. So one more question I'm going to explain using this same thing, same type of logic. Okay. So if any doubt you can ask through comment section. Second question I'm going to tell you. So now this is the second question which I'm going to solve. See here. Write a program to accept name of a person and display the initials excluding surname. Means for example, Sunil Bharti Mittal. So output should be S dot B dot Mittal. The surname will not be included here. Excluding that, others, each and every word's first character we have to print. Okay. So means we do not want to extract the last word. Simple. Got it? So for this, what we have to do? We have to, again, we have to count the number of words, same thing, same process. We will go up to, uh, here we have to write a star and we'll take input. After taking input, we'll create the object of string tokenizer class. In the same manner, string tokenizer, okay, ob stz I have taken, stz equal to new, then string tokenizer. In bracket, you know the string from which we want to extract the word that we used to write. Then at last semicolon. So here we have created the object of string tokenizer class. Okay. Then we will count the number of words. For that, we'll take a variable nw equal to sc dot next int nw equal to sc dot stz dot count tokens, number of words, count tokens, number of words counted. Then we'll take a variable string w, okay, to store the word which will extract. The same thing again, I'm doing the same thing. Things are common. Then that loop will be repeated. Now here will not repeat the loop 3 times. If the number of words are 3, if the number of words is nw, so we will repeat the loop only nw minus 1 times. If the number of words are 3, we will repeat the loop only 3 times. Means we'll do like this. Means for, because there is no need of to extract the last word. Okay, so we'll repeat if the number of words are 3. If the number of the value of nw is 3, we will repeat the loop 2 times. Means nw minus 1 time. We start from 1. We'll go up to nw minus 1. Then I plus plus. Okay. Then here the same thing will extract the word by function using the function stj dot count token. Sorry, next token in bracket, then semicolon. Counted number, the word we've got the word. Now we'll display system dot out dot print only, not ln. We have to print in the same line. System dot out print, and here w dot char at 0, caret 0, then plus dot. Okay, then semicolon, then loop close. Okay, so what will happen? See, if the value of, again I'm taking the same example. If the example is what? Sunil Bharti Mittal, same thing is there. Consider Sunil Bharti Mittal Okay. So first here the value of n the str is this. The value of nw will be what? 3. Number of words is what? 3 here. So this loop will be repeated 2 times only. So we'll get the first word, second word only. Means it will print s dot, then b dot. Only s dot and b dot will be printed. Okay. Then control will go outside the loop. Now what is left here? Okay, first time first word in the W will get the first word, that is Sunil. Then first character of that word S dot will be printed. Then I plus plus I will be 2, condition true. Again next token function will return the second word, that is Bharti. Then W dot caret 0 means B dot will be printed. Then I plus plus I will be 3. This condition is false. Control will go outside the loop. So what we have printed through this loop, S dot B dot we have printed. Now, what is left to print? Only Mittal is left to print. So what we can do here, we can write coming outside the loop, we can do one thing. We can write W equal to. Here we have called this function 2 times. First time it has returned first word, second time it has returned third word, second word. Okay. Now we are calling that same function coming outside a loop. So we are, since 2 times we have already called that function. Now if we'll call it again, means if we are trying to call it third time, it will return the third word. That is the last word here. Okay, so stz dot next token. Here we are calling this function second time. In the loop we have called 2 times. Here we are trying to call this function third time. Sorry, third time. So it will return the third word. Okay. So next token. I hope it's clear. If you still in doubt, you can call. You can ask through comment section. Next token. Now this function will return the third word. Okay, what is that? Mittal. Then we'll print system dot out dot print in bracket w. Only w, no w dot char and w dot char at 0. We have to print Mittal. Complete word we have to print. W is what? Mittal. So that will be printed, and then semicolon, main close, class close. Okay. So this is the same thing we are using, and we are here we are printing only first word and second word. But only the last word initials are is not required here. We have to print the initials of only uh, uh, all other words excluding the last word. Okay. So this is another question. If you have doubt, any doubt you can ask. Now one more question I'm going to discuss. Okay. Now see this question. Write a program to accept a sentence and display the words that begin with vowel. That begin with vowel means here we have to display only that words which are beginning with vowel. See this example: an apple a day keeps doctor away. Sorry. So here an apple and away. These 4 words are here which are beginning with vowel. Okay. So same logic. Logic is what? We have to extract a word and we have to check whether the first character of that word is a vowel or not. Same thing here also we need to extract a word. So same logic, util.scanner, then input, then create the object of string tokenizer class, then count tokens, then everything same. Up to this, by this we'll get the word. By next token function, first time it will return the first word, second word, third word, like this. So here I'm copying, pasting. See. An apple a day keeps doctor away. So here the word we have extracted. Now what we'll do? We will check first time the value of w will be what? An. First time the value of w will be what? An. First time this function, next token function will return the first word. So the value of w is what? 1. Now we'll check the first character of this word is a vowel or not. Okay. So for that we have to extract the first character. So for that one variable is required. You can take a variable C that I will declare before. Here I'm declaring that again. Here you can declare it char C. Okay. Then here C equal to w dot char at 0 at 0 char at 0. So by this we'll get the first character of this extracted word. First time the value of w is what? N. The value of w is what? Then I'm writing w will be what? N. Okay. Now caret 0, what will be the value of C? C will be what? Capital A. Now we'll check whether this character C is a vowel or not. Okay. So for that what we can do? We can convert this character into uppercase. Okay. Otherwise we have to check for all 10 conditions. This I have also explained in the previous video. Here we have to convert this C into either in uppercase or in lowercase. Otherwise, we have to check all 10 conditions, capital A, I, O, U, then small a, E, I, O, U. So better you convert this character into either case, either in lowercase or in uppercase. So here, C, caret 0, we got the first character. Okay. Then C double dot caret 0 we got. Now we'll check whether this character, we have to convert this character into uppercase. So how to convert a character to uppercase, using function character wrapper class function character dot to upper case in bracket you will write what C, then semicolon, C then semicolon. Okay, so by this way I have converted. Now we'll check whether this character is a vowel or not. This is, C is what? First character of the word, so that we need to check whether it is vowel or not. So for that we have to check like this. A, since I have converted into uppercase, I will check only for the uppercase vowels, because there is no possibility left of lowercase, since we have converted the string into the word, the character into uppercase. Okay, if any doubts, friends, you can ask. I'm trying to explain as much as possible. A, E, I, O, A, E, I, O is equal to U. So if you will not convert the character into uppercase, you have to write again 5 conditions, small a, I, O, U also. So please, that's why I'm writing it. Okay, I hope I'm clear. This I'm removing. So, okay. Then, if it is vowel, what to do? We have to print that word. If the first character of the vowel is, the first character is what? C. If it is a vowel, then we'll print this word. It means if this condition is true, means what? The first character of that extracted word is a vowel, means that word is beginning with a vowel, so we need to print it. So system dot out dot print system dot out dot print in bracket, you'll write W with one space, you can write here without changing the line. So print only system dot out dot print, not ln, then loop close, main close, class close. Okay, so I hope everything is clear. So first of all, we extract the first time this function will return the first word, that is an, then the value of C will be capital A. Okay, it is already in uppercase, so no problem, it will remain same. The value of C will be what? Capital A. This condition is true, so W will be printed. W is what? An will be printed, and from here I plus plus I will be 2. Now here NW, not NW minus 1, it will be NW. This will be NW. Okay, so when second word, we are calling this function second time, so this will return apple, caret 0 is what? Capital small a. So the value of C will be small a, then that character will be converted to uppercase capital A, then this condition will be true. Again that W will be printed. What is that? Apple. The value of W is what? Apple, and so on like this. Same thing, students, only here we are checking the first character of that word is a vowel or not. If it is vowel, we are printing that word we are printing. So I have tried my best to explain everything. If any doubt, still any doubt you have, please let me know through comment section. So for this video, this much only. In next video, I will come with more program of strings. Okay, and you can ask if you have any program to ask. You can send me through the comment section. I will try to solve this if I'll get the time. Okay, so for today, this much only. Thank you. Bye.